M package. Let's go. This thing's crazy.
Vibes House.
I'm gonna go and collect a motorbike. BMW.
You know about this. West Side.
Check out my little outfit. Nobody's been revealed the bike. But hey. Long trips, Portugal or something.
West side is the best side. East side is my next side. South side is where we ride. North side, yo, we getting high. West side is the best side. East side is my next side. South side is where we ride. North side, yo, we getting high. Big team, big dream, I got a big scheme. Now look at me, all up on the big screen. Big bright lights, lady, let me lay the pipe. From the back room, you can hear the lady scream. I've been doing this since I was 18.
We'll do the bike reveal soon.
Damn Jesus Christ, this is amazing. When you look like we, they start hating.
Reveal the new flex. A new chick, new chick.
Come and take it nice and slow. Just like the dogs, you wanna play with the ball. Come this way, I'm finna take you home. Give you big price, welcome to the big west. Every prince needs a princess, oh yes. Let's go.
M package.
West side is the best side. East side is my next side. South side is where we ride. North side, yo, we getting high. West side is the best side. East side is my next side. South side is where we ride. North side, yo, we getting high.
S1000R. Oh. She's already spoken for. How you doing? You well? You ready for me?
It's not ready, I'm ready, man.
I'll be over in a sec. This one here is very nice. I don't even know what this is. R12 it's called. Nice, very nice. Got some gear over here. is what I've been looking at. These are banging. They're hardened so you can ride your bike with them. Let's go. I'm gonna grab one of these soon. Need a red flex. A white flex or something. That color, that model. Yeah. Got the boots. The lids over here, BMW. Racer. Got to. Some nice gloves. It's not hardened or anything. These are. Zimmer. Who's got the keys to my bimmer? Nice. It's quite sexy. The full bottoms. Ultra red. Alright, let's go. Let's go and grab our new chick. Look at this guy here. He's been riding forever. Permanent riders. Let's go. You know when the sun comes out, this is beaming in the sunshine. This color here is nice. I want to come and test ride that M1000. What's that? Yeah. Definitely. Wee. Alright, he's gonna show me how to put on the rear cowl. Got it all on camera. Okay, that could fit a little phone in there and stuff. There she is. Not as easy as I thought.
Yeah, it's one extra step with a little screw.
Yeah.
Watch me drop it.
Yeah, imagine. Yank here and there.
Yeah, basically these push into that.
Okay.
Okay. And then these set.
Okay.
So yeah, don't just go through.
Okay.
The only difference with this is there's no screw at the back for it, so you still have to line up the same stuff.
Yep.
Should be okay.
What's your name, buddy? Neil, isn't it?
Nathan.
Nathan, sorry.
Yeah, all set.
Because I've been talking to Ben all the time.
I know,
Nathan's a man. Nathan hooked me up. He was the initial guy that I spoke to for the bike. Hey.
Put the screw just in the tool.
Okay. Thank you, legend. So that's the kiln. Yeah.
Not much room.
Okay, no. No big birds on the back. Alright, let's go. I'm excited. I was watching on Facebook yesterday, I think, or the day before. One of the guys came in, took it for service, and they gave him the bike back without the oil. I don't know, but it was raining too, so this was open when he got home. Yeah, imagine the water going in there.
Would not be happy with you.
Yeah.
Right, how do you want to set up then? Because there's obviously all the different modes. We didn't get too far into.
No, we didn't. Right, we're gonna get a little quick run through.
So this is how the bike will always wake up.
So this is kind of the M package, though, isn't it?
This has got the sport
But not
package,
the seat.
Yeah, it's more part of the seat. We'll stick some fuel in it before we go anywhere, obviously. We've got the wake up screen is this one.
Yeah.
And then you press down and there's a sport display. So the sport display is going to tell us lean angles that we've done, how hard we've braked, and how much traction control intervention we've had.
Yeah.
It's also got a rev counter still and then a speedo up the top. The main screen though, where we can go and set up a few bits and pieces is in the settings. So this is where we can change the driving or the riding modes. So there's as standard, there's rain, road, dynamic and race. But down the line, if you want to, you can delete one of the modes and it lets you go into the pro modes. And within the pro modes, you can make it bespoke, just how you like. You go and you can configure it, and you can set up all of these pieces of information. So the traction control, the engine braking, the throttle response, traction control intervention, wheelie lift-off control, ABS setting, and all of the suspension can be set up in that menu. Obviously, it's a bit full on. So what I'll say is ride it. We'll leave that off for the time being. Ride it around and race for a bit when it's a nice dry day. See how you like it. If you think the suspension's a bit too soft, or you want more support or less support from the systems, come and talk to me, and we can set it up just how you like it. But yeah, until you've had some time riding it, it's hard to know how you're going to want it. Yeah, the rest of it.
So to change to, so it's on sport mode now.
It's on dynamic mode.
Dynamic
And actually, to change the mode itself, you just press it in.
Okay.
And you've got rain, road, dynamic, and race. You can change them on the fly. You just cycle through and you dip the clutch and roll into the next mode. If you have it in race mode, it's going to tell you like an ABS warning. When you go into that mode, the lift-off control is turned off, so it's like stopping. And you can brake really hard, but there's less assistance from the computer. Dynamic's probably a really sound choice for a dry day and have a bit of play around. If the wet rain starts coming, stick it back into rain mode and go back.
Educated.
Yeah, we've got cruise control on the bike, we've got heated grips on the bike.
That's the heated grip shit,
So that, when you press that, it displays on the dashboard. 3, 1, and then off.
That's
The ABS and traction control lights will flash you until you get to 5 miles an hour. You can turn on the traction control if you ever wanted to. That's what that button does. You tend to leave it on and then just change the mode to suit you rather than have it fully on. When we get into the pro modes, there's this switch here. So when you're in the pro mode, you can adjust between +7 maximum traction control and -7 minimum traction control, just on the fly while you're going. So if you think you're on, I'm actually getting held up by the traction control on this particular corner, you can adjust that as you go. It's more of a track day thing, I guess, but still gives you to play around with it.
The cruise control and stuff like that.
The cruise across.
That's it.
And then you just pull it towards you to set it. If you roll off, you see there's a little bit of extra spring in the throttle. If you roll it forwards, that will cancel the spring.
Okay.
If you brake or change gear, that will also turn it off. You can turn it off again by just sliding it.
Right like that. So you do that. You can do that when obviously when you're driving.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay.
You need to be doing more than 20 miles per hour, but it will allow you to set it. As you go. Do adjust your levers before you go anywhere, so the levers can be adjusted for the span.
Yeah. I need some new levers.
Get some nice machine ones.
Yeah.
And then obviously we've got quick shift on the bike as well, so
Yeah.
I'd play with that one.
Yeah, I will do. Brilliant. Yeah.
Not too stressful.
No.
Press all the buttons, play around with it. So if you get stuck, just let me know.
I will do.
You've got cool stuff on the bike.
There's YouTube too.
Yeah,
That's how I educated myself.
Yeah, that's the way forward. It's a good resource.
Yeah, brilliant. You lot sell the bubble? Is it bubble screen?
Yeah, double bubble screens.
Yeah.
That's how they went from when they changed it in 2022. They changed it to this bigger screen.
Yeah.
And the winglets.
Yeah.
And you've just got a better aerodynamic package on it.
Okay. All right. There we go. Whew. I don't do that. Let's not put the helmet on the floor. All right, let's go. We got the stock exhaust. Definitely needs to change that. Alright. Let's hit the road now. You say, cuz you got the first ride, you're giving it approval, yeah? Huh?
It's got everything on it, innit? It's got the limiter and everything. So
I saw you lift it. I saw you. I saw you lift it, little piece.
everything's just all compact and it's like a toy, bro.
It's technical.
It feels like a little toy, man.
Cuz he's giving it the approval. Yeah. Yeah, this is computer. Lovely day for a ride out. It's a lineup at Ace right now, you know.
Fly down thing.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind.
You wanna go to the shop? The paint shop?
Let's take a look at it, yeah.